Hello everyone. Today let's understand what do you mean by algorithm. What do you mean by algorithm? So algorithm is nothing but it is a step by step procedure to solve a given problem. We are going to solve a problem by writing step by step procedure. It is nothing but algorithm. That is, algorithm is a step by step procedure to solve a given problem. Suppose I have been given a problem, I will write step by step procedure how to solve a problem. For example, in a kitchen, I have to prepare a dish. For that, for preparing that dish, before that I am going to write a recipe step by step. Step 1 I have to do this, step 2 I have to do this, step 3 I have to do this. Like this I will prepare a recipe before preparing a dish. This recipe is nothing but our algorithm, because I have to prepare a dish. It is the problem. To solve this problem, I am going to write few steps how to solve that problem. That recipe itself is called as the algorithm. Here in this case, all problem is nothing but program. Okay, so it is a step by step procedure to solve a given problem. Let us see what are the features. What are the features of the algorithm? First feature is finiteness. Finiteness means limited steps. Finiteness means limited steps. Means I have to solve a problem within few steps, minimum steps. There should not be 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, crores of steps. Because if I write lakhs of steps, I cannot solve my problem itself. It means I should have minimum or few steps to solve the problem or to solve that program. That is finite number of steps. That is limited number of steps should be there to solve a problem. There should not be infinite number of steps. Okay, that is the first one. Second feature is all the steps must be unique. All the steps must be unique. Unique means there should not be any duplicate steps. There should not be any duplicate steps. Okay, if I write a step like I have to add two numbers a plus b, there should not be any other step like a plus b. All the steps must be unique. There should not be any duplicate steps. Third one is, first one is finiteness, second one is uniqueness, third one is precision. Precision means there should not be any confusion in the step. I have to precisely define what the step is going to do. Suppose I am preparing a dish. Okay, then I will write a step like lit the gas stove. I should precisely say what the step is going to do. There should not be confusion in that step. If I say I have to add two numbers, you have to write like this, a plus b. If I write a plus minus b, there is a confusion. What I have to do, whether addition or subtraction. A plus b, if I am doing addition, I have to write addition step. If I am subtracting two numbers, I have to write a minus b. There should be precision in the statement. That is, I must clearly define the statements. That is, there should not be any confusion. Next, fourth one, input. Means I should have 0 or more inputs. An algorithm must take 0 or more inputs. It means a program can have 0 inputs or more than 0 inputs. It means a program can give the output without taking any input. Sometimes we write the program where there is no input at all. Directly we run the program and we will get the output. It may take 0 inputs. It means there are no inputs at all, or it may take 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 inputs. That is called input. Okay. Next feature, fifth feature is outputs. A algorithm or a program must produce at least one output, or it can produce more than one output. Okay, it can produce 1, 2, 3, n number of outputs, but at least it must produce one output. If a program is not at all producing any output, there is no use of writing that program. We are writing the program to get some output. It might not take any input, program or algorithm might not take any input, but it must give at least one output. That is the next feature. And the last